You need to hear this if you're tired of money stress and ready to take control of your finances. If budgeting feels impossible and saving is always out of reach, listen up. Meet the FiscalLens Focus Blueprint, the game-changing approach to financial planning that puts clarity and confidence in your hands. Here's the problem. Most of us face confusing bills, endless expenses, and don't know where our money actually goes. That's where FiscalLens steps in. It starts with a deep dive into your finances, showing exactly where you're strong and where you can improve. Then it gives you a step-by-step roadmap for reaching your goals, from paying off debt to building your savings. What sets it apart? Actionable solutions that fit your life, not just generic advice. As your needs change, your plan adapts. Ready to ditch the stress and take control? Drop your biggest money challenge in the comments and check out my other videos for more smart strategies.